Hello my dear students and friends. I hope everyone is good. Today we are reviewing about the elasticity. In this topic we will understand what is elasticity, their different types and uses. So elasticity refers to the responsiveness or sensitivity of a variable such as a quantity demand or supplied to a change in another variable such as price or income. It measures the degree to which change in one variable affect the other variables. Elasticity is often used in economics to understand the dynamics of the supply and demand relationship. There are various types of elasticity, including price elasticity of demand, price elasticity of supply, income elasticity of demand, and cross price elasticity of demand. Now we discuss one by one types of elasticity. I will make a separate video on every topic of elasticity of demand. The first of all we discuss the price elasticity of demand, that is also called PED. Measures how sensitive the quantity demanded of a good or service is to change in the price. It is calculated by dividing the percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. I make the formula here for your understanding. So here I make a formula of it. So PED equal to percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. So this is the formula to find out PED. When I make a complete video on PED, then we will understand this concept betterly. Now we discuss the price elasticity of supply, that is called PES. Price elasticity of supply measures how sensitive the quantity supplied of a good or service is to change in its price. It is calculated by dividing the percentage change in quantity supplied by the percentage change in price. The same formula, percentage change in the supply, quantity supply, divided by percentage change in price. Now we discuss the income elasticity of demand, that is called YED. Income elasticity of demand measures how sensitive the quantity demand of a good or service is to change in income. It is calculated by dividing the percentage change in quantity demand by percentage change in income. The same formula, but the difference is in change in quantity demand or change in income. Now we discuss the cross price elasticity of demand. Cross price elasticity of demand measures how sensitive the quantity demand of one good or service is to change in the price of another good or service. It is calculated by dividing the percentage change in quantity demand of first good by percentage change in price of second good. Let's suppose what is the effect on the demand of Pepsi if price of a Coke will increase or decrease. Elasticity value can be categorized as elastic, inelastic, or unitary. If the absolute value of elasticity is greater than 1, the relationship is elastic, meaning the quantity is higher responsive to change in the other variable. If the answer is elastic, answer is more than 1, it means that there is more change in quantity of a good as compared to the change in other variable like price, income, and price of other product price. If the absolute value is less than 1, the relationship is inelastic, indicating a low responsiveness to change. If the absolute value is equal to 1, that is called unitary elastic. I will make a separate video on each type of elasticity that include elasticity of demand, supply, income, and cross elasticity of demand in graphical context. Then you have to understand very well. Now we discuss the uses of elasticity. Elasticity has various applications across different fields. Here are some common uses of elasticity. In economics, elasticity is used to measure the responsiveness of demand or supply to change in price or income. It helped in analyzing consumer behavior, market dynamics, and policy impact. Price elasticity of demand and income elasticity of demand are more important concepts of economics. We will discuss in separate video. Regarding the business point of view, elasticity is used by businesses to make price decisions and assess the impact of price change on demand. It helps in determining the optimum pricing strategy and understanding market competitiveness. Elasticity analysis can also guide production decisions and resource allocation of good. That can be support in making the business to what type of quantity demand they have to supply and what type of pricing strategy they have to adopt, how much goods they are produced, and that will affect on production decisions and resource allocation. In finance point of view, elasticity is applied in financial modeling and risk analysis. For example, bond price elasticity. It is used to evaluate the sensitivity of bond price to change in interest rate. Elasticity concepts are also employed in option pricing model and portfolio management. Engineering and material sciences. Elasticity is crucial in designing structure and material to withstand stress and deformations. Elasticity properties such as Young modulus, shear modulus, and Poisson ratios are used to assess the mechanical behavior of material and predict their responsive to applied forces. Environmental science. In environmental sciences, elasticity is used in modeling and analyzing the impact of environmental factors on ecosystem. For example, ecologic elasticity measures how change in specific environmental variables affect species populations, helping researchers and understanding ecosystem reliance and making informed conversations decisions. So there are many uses of elasticity, not only specifically economics or business or finance, but also other sciences as well. Understanding elasticity helps economists and businesses make a prediction about how changes in variable will affect the market outcome, pricing decisions, and consumer behavior. Here we complete the topic of elasticity. In next video, I will make separate videos on different other types of elasticity of demand. That includes price elasticity of demand, supply, price elasticity of supply, cross elasticity of supply, and income elasticity of supply. Thank you very much. I hope you will understand the concept of elasticity. See you in next video. Take care.